China has unveiled its first robot security guard. The robot is called Anbot.
In a world of great changes and technological breakthroughs, even the field of state security does not remain unchanged. A recent announcement from the security service of Chinese President Xi Jinping has shocked the global community. In the near future, the elite bodyguards of China's leader will be joined by robotic humanoids. This news has already sparked discussions and speculation. What kind of machines will stand side by side with humans to protect one of the world's most influential politicians? There is very little official information so far. Neither the name of the developer company nor specific models have been disclosed. However, experts are actively circulating the theory that these could be robots from Unrai, a Chinese company known for its cutting-edge developments in this industry. What exactly will these robots do? Will they be armed, or will their main task be threat analysis and facial recognition? These are questions that remain unanswered. Nevertheless, one fact is clear: for the first time in history, a head of state will be guarded not only by humans but also by robotic machines, marking the beginning of a new era in high-tech security. The Chinese continue to actively develop robots for police work. Recently, a new humanoid robot designed for street patrols and maintaining public order was introduced. This robot features a human-like design equipped with advanced sensors, cameras, and an artificial intelligence system. It can recognize faces, analyze people's behavior, and transmit data to law enforcement agencies in real time. The robot moves on two mechanical legs, allowing it to operate effectively in urban environments, including navigating stairs and uneven surfaces. Its body is protected against mechanical damage, and built-in algorithms help it avoid collisions with obstacles. Here is the new hyper-realistic, emotionally responsive robot from the Rainer series, named QUA. It is designed to replicate human interaction and emotional intelligence with the highest level of accuracy. With its ultra-realistic appearance closely resembling a human, the robot makes communication more natural and intuitive. QUA can express a wide range of emotions, enabling deeper and more empathetic interactions with users. Additionally, advanced artificial intelligence technologies allow it to analyze complex social cues and respond accordingly, making it highly adaptive in conversations. The robot not only engages in dialogue but also assesses the emotional state of its conversation partner, adjusting its responses based on the situation. The humanoid robot PM01 from the Chinese company Engine AI continues to improve. Recently, it showcased impressive dance skills, performing complex choreographic elements with high precision and synchronization. PM01 is equipped with 24 degrees of freedom, providing flexibility, smooth movements, and the ability to execute dynamic dance combinations. This robot stands at 1 m 38 centimeters tall and weighs 40 kilograms and features a durable aluminum exoskeleton that enhances its maneuverability and stability during complex movements. Thanks to advanced control algorithms and precise motor functions, PM01 can synchronize its movements with music, adapt to rhythm, and even interact with a dance partner. It seems that the world of robotic dance now has a new competitor for the G1 robot from the Chinese company Unrai, which previously impressed audiences with its fluidity and coordination. At the beginning of the year 2025, an event took place in one of Hong Kong's bustling shopping malls that captured the attention of both visitors and the global public. A group of robotic humanoids created by the Chinese company Unrai performed a synchronized dance, showcasing not only technical achievements but also a new dimension of human-machine interaction. These robots are known as the G1 and H1 models and had already gained recognition after their performance at the Chinese New Year Gala concert, where they executed a traditional Chinese dance. Following this event, their popularity surged, sparking discussions both in China and internationally. The robot's dancing abilities were made possible by advanced artificial intelligence algorithms and precise engineering, allowing them to move with remarkable smoothness and synchronization. The appearance of dancing robots in public spaces such as shopping malls not only demonstrates technological progress but also opens up new possibilities for entertainment, education, and interaction with technology in everyday life. Moving on to other news, the Chinese company Bodyguard has released another video showcasing the progress in developing its latest robotic humanoid. By integrating artificial intelligence into Bodyguard robotic machines, they have learned to perform various everyday tasks, including making sandwiches. They can also clean, do laundry, and assist with household chores. The company's robots feature an anthropomorphic design, allowing them to interact effectively with environments built for humans. They are capable of performing a wide range of tasks, from simple manipulations to complex operations, making them applicable in various industries including manufacturing, service, and education. Bodyguard's robots represent a significant step forward, offering solutions for automating daily tasks. Their ability to learn and adapt makes them promising assistants in various aspects of life. At the beginning of the year 2025, a marathon took place in Chongqing, one of the largest cities in China, attracting the attention of not only runners but also technology enthusiasts from around the world. Along the marathon route, spectators witnessed an unusual sight: humanoid robots and intelligent robotic dogs showcasing their capabilities, adding a futuristic touch to the traditional sporting event. These robots are developed by leading Chinese robotics companies and were presented to the public during the marathon to demonstrate the country's achievements. Their participation symbolized China's ambition to integrate advanced technologies into everyday life and sporting events. The appearance of robots at the marathon in Chongqing became a vivid example of how innovation can enhance traditional events, creating a unique experience for both participants and spectators. Engineers from Shenzhen OCAF Technology have equipped the Go5 robotic dog with advanced technologies for effective security and surveillance. This robotic guardian is capable of performing security tasks in high-risk environments, ensuring the safety of facilities and territories. For movement, the robot utilizes 12 degrees of freedom in its limb joints, providing high maneuverability. It can overcome slopes of up to 45 degrees, carry loads of up to 120 kilograms, and reach speeds of up to 5 meters per second. For autonomous operation and interaction with an operator, the robot supports voice control and a command recognition system. Thanks to a powerful battery that provides autonomous operation for 2.5 to 4 hours, the Go5 can conduct long-duration patrols. Additionally, the Go5 can be equipped with gas sensors, thermal sensors, and other detection systems. Write in the comments what you liked most after watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and leave a like. See you next time.